Understanding the idiom, living doll. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning behind the English phrase, living doll. It's a fascinating expression that you might come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and discover what it really means to call someone a living doll. The phrase, living doll, is actually an idiom in English. When someone is referred to as a living doll, it typically means that they are extremely attractive or charming in appearance or behavior, much like a beautifully crafted doll. It's often used to describe young children or women who are endearing and lovely. The idiom, living doll, has been part of the English language for quite some time. It draws a comparison between the adorable qualities of a doll and a person. Historically, dolls have been associated with beauty and perfection in their appearances, which is why the term is used as a compliment. Here are some examples of how to use living doll in everyday conversation. Did you see Julie's daughter at the party? She's such a living doll with those big blue eyes and curly hair. My grandmother always calls me her living doll when I dress up for special occasions. Sometimes, living doll can be heard in songs or seen in literature, where it's used to evoke a sense of nostalgia or affection. However, it's important to note that while it's a positive term, it should be used appropriately and respectfully, considering the context and the person you're referring to. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, living doll. We hope you found this video helpful and that you can confidently use this idiom in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about conveying feelings and connections. See you in the next video.